Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your Learn Values class. Hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we will study lesson number 2, God's precious gift. So, students, here is another story given which will teach us the importance of being grateful, of showing gratitude, and of being thankful in every situation. So, let's start. Millions and millions years ago, when God created earth, he brought life into existence, which made earth the most beautiful planet in the universe. God created animals from which some can run fast like an arrow leaving from the bow, some have an unusual size and strength like that of a mountain. He made flying creatures that can fly freely from one place to another in search of food without bothering about the man-made boundaries. So students, first para of this lesson reminds us of the time when God created this world, or when God created earth millions and millions years ago. And after the creation of earth, God created life on planet earth, because of which planet earth becomes the most beautiful planet in the whole universe. Because of the presence of life or existence of life on earth, it became the most beautiful planet. And then God created different animals which possesses different capabilities. For example, some can run fast like an arrow shot from the bow, or some have a very unusual size and strength just like that of a mountain. And God also created different flying creatures, means different birds which can fly freely from one place to another without considering the man-made boundaries, or without considering the different countries or borders. So this para basically tells us about the different beautiful creations of God, and how amazingly he have created everything in such a nice manner. Now let's study the second para. He made creepy reptiles that can fear others and some animals that can swim swiftly. At the end, he created man to take care of himself and the lovely creations of the. So students, this second para also continues to tell us about different creations of God, that he also created some creepy reptiles. Creepy means something which is scaring or frightening. He made creepy or frightening reptiles, for example snakes, lizards, etc., that frighten others. And he also created different animals which can swim swiftly, for example different fishes, etc. And at the end, God created man. Man means human beings. At the end, God created human beings so that human beings can take care of themselves and also of all other lovely creations of God which are present on planet earth. Because only human beings have this you can say blessing or capability of being controlling all other animals. Animals can't control or do anything, but human beings have the capability to look after everything. Now let's read the next para. But one day a man asked God, "My Lord, you have made a beautiful world filled with lovely creations. You have given various powers to other creatures, but I have no power with me." On hearing this, God smiled and said, "Oh, my child, I have bestowed upon you the most important and precious power, the power of speech. With speech, you have learned to express yourself. You know how to conquer the hearts of others by communication. No other creature has this power. What more could I have given you?" So students, though God has given us so many powers to human beings, but still one day a man said to God, complaining that, "God, you have created such a beautiful world. You have made so many creatures on planet earth which have different powers. For example, some can swim, some can fly, etc. But you have created me without any power. I don't have any power with me, any special power with me. On hearing these words, God smiled and said to that man that, my dear child, I have bestowed means given or awarded. God said to that man that, oh my child, I have given you the most important and most precious power. Precious means something which is very valuable power, that is the power of speech. Power of speech means the ability to speak. Only human beings have the ability to speak and express their feelings, their emotions, and they can also conquer means win the hearts of others by communication. And no other creature on this planet have I given this power of speech. No other creature or no other animal can speak just like human beings can do. What else can I have given you? Means God said to that man that I have given you such a valuable power and still you are saying that you have no power. What else can I give you? Now let's read the next para. Then man realized that speech indeed is the most precious gift God had given. He understood that with speech he is able to express his feelings and emotions. He is able to spread happiness around by saying kind words to all. Happiness is very necessary to keep peace among the people. Man understood that we should be happy with whatever we have, and God has given us everything possible. So students, after hearing the words of God, the man finally realized that yes, I have got the most precious power, most valuable power of speaking, and with speaking I can express myself, I can tell others what I am feeling, what I am going through, and I can make others happy also by speaking kind words to all. And happiness as is very necessary to keep people peaceful, so I can spread happiness also through speech. And finally, when the man understood that we should always be thankful in every situation, we should always be thankful for whatever God has given us, because God has given us everything that is good for us and that is possible. So we should be happy for that and we should not complain. So students, here ends this lesson. And this lesson teaches us the moral that always be happy with what we have. And this is the morals, students, which you always remember. This is something that will change your life forever if you keep in mind, and that always be thankful in every situation. No matter what the circumstances are, you should always be grateful towards God, because God has given us so many blessings that we have no right to complain about anything. So students, here ends our today's lesson. Hope you must have understood the value of being grateful. We'll meet you on the next turn. Till then, take care, be safe and be grateful.